You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to add another account on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines, in the bottom right for iOS or top right for Android. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Now scroll down to the Permissions section and tap Account Center. In the Account Center, tap Profiles at the top. Here, tap Add a Facebook account. You will be prompted to log in with the email and password for the new account you want to add. Enter the credentials and follow the on-screen login steps. Once logged in, both accounts will be linked in your account. Center to switch between them. Go back to the main Facebook app screen. Tap your profile picture in the top left, then tap your name at the top. A drop-down menu will appear showing all your logged-in accounts. Simply tap the account you want to switch to. You can add multiple accounts and switch between them instantly without logging out. For more simple social media tutorials, subscribe to the channel.